So guys, for the first step, you're going to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that and then click on Program Files. Now you want to click on View right here and then click on Show and then click on Hidden Items. You should now be seeing the Windows Apps folder. And we can now open this up. Now if it says that you've been denied permission, you want to click on Security tab. And now once we're here, you want to click on Advanced. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, you want to click on Change. And now in this box, you want to type in your username. If you don't know it, you want to go to Search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Again, double click on your Windows drive. This time, you want to click on Users. It's now going to be showing your username right here. Mine is Speedy Tutorials. I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to type in this box, Speedy Tutorials. Now, you want to click on Check Names. It's now going to underline your username. Now, you want to click on OK. And we should now be seeing this. And now once we're here, you want to tick the box, Replace owner of subcontainers and objects. Now, you want to click on Apply. Wait for this to load. And then click on OK, and then click on OK again. OK again, close. We can now open this up. Continue. And that's how you do it.